cheddar, it's nothing but cake. It's nothing but game, what the fuck is a break? I can't even count on this money I made. I'm making this guts, can't make a mistake, can't make this shit.
All right, Moto gang, we got the KTM loaded. I think we got the audio issues fixed.
Nope.
I'm gonna go over my setup with y'all later. But yeah, we're gonna check out the new trails. And we might have another one of the homies come through in the side-by-side. So he got the turbocharged joint. So yeah, we're gonna go see what this KTM do out there in the trails. Hopefully the rain didn't mess him up too much. We'll catch y'all on the trail. Oh shit, I didn't know you had a YZ, bro. Oh shit, damn, buddy and shit. Pretty clean. Yes, sir. Check him out. Oh yeah, yeah. All right, that boy B came out with me to check out the new trails. Got the green monster out. Didn't you just hit your thing? Oh, okay. Cool, let's get it. Oh, stalled out. Oh shit. Hold on. Oh, shit. Hey, we could have kept going that way. Hey, that shit fine. We go down to the other one now. He almost made me go in that water, gang. That's fucked up. Oh shit. Shit! Did I break my new lever? Fail, man. I'm gonna follow you. Yeah, you might as well see what's up there, huh? Oh, you can't really get around that, can you? All right. Oh, shit. Half and half my ass. Shit, was your pipe underwater?
That shit deep as a motherfucker.
Shit, hell yeah. Oh yeah, your whole tires was buried. Fuck. Yeah, can you pull it out that way? Damn. You slid down?
Oh shit.
Fuck.
I was like, oh shit,
I guess we gotta go around, huh?
yeah, I definitely gotta go.
All right. Damn, I think there's a lot of trails back here though. Well, that boy took a swim. Oh! Oh! Yo! Oh, no. Just hold the clutch for me real quick. Oh no. Oh. Oh. I got it. Oh, fuck. Hell yeah, that tire went in there. Fuck. The whole tire was in the water, bro. Wasn't it? I couldn't see. Damn. Leg work. Shit. Don't none of us know which way. Hey gang, my battery about to die. We just found some new trails. Had to get up this little climb. We're gonna go check out what's over here, but my battery died. It was a good one. Y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe to the video, and we catch you on the next one.